two rocks R of 2 kilograms and S of 3 kilograms are dropped simultaneously from a bridge. Now, the fact that it says dropped means immediately for you that the initial velocity is going to be 0. Which one of the following statements is true for the motion of the rock as it falls towards the ground? Remember, though, that friction can be ignored. So they give you here different options. They first tell you that S, remember that S was the heavier one, reaches the ground first. R and S have the same kinetic energy. R and S have the same velocity on reaching the ground, or R has a smaller acceleration than S when reaching the ground. Okay, now a few important things that we need to eliminate. First off, it doesn't matter what the masses are of an object. Earth, which is going to be pulling it with a gravitational force of 9.8 meters per second squared, will be pulling those objects with 9.8 the whole time, independent of their masses. So that means number D can already be scratched out. If we take a look at number A, it says that S will actually reach the ground first. That's not true. In our situation, whether we have a lighter object or a heavier object, as long as they have been dropped from the same height, and that means they've really been released at the same time, they'll reach the ground at the same time as well. So that means number S is also, or rather number A for S being first to the ground is also not true. So that is leaving out with B and C. We must though take a note that kinetic energy is what they refer to in B, and kinetic energy is equal to a half mass times velocity squared. Now that actually indicates to me that we're going to have a problem. Kinetic energy won't stay the same because the masses of the object do not stay the same. On the other hand, the velocities will still be the same on reaching the ground, because if I want to go and determine its velocity, I'll be using equations of motions. And in this scenario, you'll notice though that your equation of motion with its 4 variables do not use any mass values inside the equation. So therefore, number C is going to be my correct answer.